we added the score and the animation of the butterfly. And it was a working game where the player got points for keeping or clicking on the butterfly. So in part 2 of this game, we're going to add a timer and a high score to make it more fun. So the first thing you'll want to do in your code is start with when flag clicked. Okay, so now we're going to make the timer work. So we want to show the timer on the screen. Click on the circle variables and check the box next to timer. Okay, this is a different view. You can do a normal readout and timer should appear in the top underscore. Okay, while you're here, you'll also want to show high score and we can get the high score to work later. So